The snap to node functions are divided into two sections. Snap. Snap, single. To use the snap functions, bring the object close to one side of the reference entity. The snap, single, replaces the snap for a single use. And is deactivated after its use. To activate parallel, perpendicular, and tangent snaps, place the first point of the object. Activate the parallel snap, single, from the local menu or with the shortcut commands Ctrl+1. To use the parallel snap, single, bring the object close to one side of the reference entity. Press the F11 key to lock the direction of the object. When one snap is activated, press F11 to use it as an extension.